What's up, guys? We are back with Meet the Dancers. Here I have Adam and Olivia, and we're gonna get to know them. All right. All right, perfect. We have Olivia and Adam. Okay, real quick, one at a time. Maybe we'll start with you, Adam. Tell us a little bit about yourself, your background, and maybe some of your dance experience.
Cool. My name is Adam. I'm here at Cabrillo. I'm doing my prerequisites for nursing school. And I have very little dance experience. I've done some ballet in the past, and a little bit of musical theater in high school, but this is my first ever hip hop dance class.
Perfect. Olivia?
I just moved here. It's my first year at Cabrillo. I've been dancing since I was 2. I did ballet from ages 2 to high school, and then joined my high school's hip hop dance troupe and was captain of that. So
Nice. Cool. So let's talk about the class so far. Okay, so we're in, I want to say, the 4th or the 5th week of class. So far, let's start with you, Adam. What do you like best about the class so far?
I think what I like best is it really pushes me out of my comfort zone. I think the first couple weeks especially, I was like, every time I get into class, I feel like awkward and stiff and just like,
Right.
But then I feel myself loosening up as the class goes on and like laughing with people. And by the end, I always just feel like good in my body and loose.
Yes. Olivia, you?
I've been in a lot of classes where it's really cliquey and there's not a lot of community, and in here it's really supportive, and I've been enjoying meeting lots of new people, and everyone's super nice and just wants to learn the dance with you.
Terrific.
Yeah.
Good. All right. So now we know that there are a lot of students out there, a lot of people trying to learn and never really had the guts, to take that initial step, because we know how nerve-wracking it could be. So I'm gonna go back to you first, Adam. What tip, what advice, maybe a few, would you give to someone in that position?
I think the biggest thing is just like take the leap and then don't think too much about it. There's so many points where you can like give up, but when it's like clicking the registration button, and then you're like, oh, I'm gonna drop it. And then you gotta show up to the first day of class. After the first day, you're like, you gotta show up the next day.
Right.
And I think just focus on the small goals, like sign up, file it away. Come to class, and the first couple days are gonna be like pretty hard. You're gonna feel awkward and be like, I suck at this, everybody else is so good. But after like 3 days, you're like, oh my God, I got this. And that feeling of success is just so cool.
Terrific. Olivia?
I would say just to come, because this is a really, really supportive community, and there are a lot of different levels in there. And I'd say the hardest part is to come. And then once
the
you do
initial
that,
start, right?
once you do that, there are a lot of people that want to help you learn the dance.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Terrific. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thanks.
All right, let's get back to practice.
Cool.
Bye.